Welcome to All Computery Tutorials. Today we're going to talk about a topic known as variable shadowing. This is the idea where two different variables in a program have the same name, one of them being an instance variable and the other being a local variable. So let's get a little bit of setup in here. We've got an instance level variable that's a string named hello, and then in our main method we're setting hello to equal hello world, and then we're printing out that value. When I run this program, as soon as Java decides to start for me, we get hello world as our output, which makes sense. Let's say we want to set that variable with a method here. So now we've created a parameter for this method called hello. And it makes sense to name it the same thing because really we're dealing with the same string. What we want to do is set hello equal to hello. So now, logically, what that should do is put whatever value we pass into this method into our variable. Now we're going to change this to a call to set hello, and then we're still printing out hello. This time when we start it, we get a null pointer. And the reason for that is because instead of setting the value that we passed into the instance level variable, what this method actually does is sets the variable, our local variable hello, equal to itself, which obviously doesn't affect the variable or the value of that instance level variable at all. And this is variable shadowing because this instance level variable has a scope throughout the entire class. Anywhere in the class you can access this. And then the hello local variable down here in our set hello method is shadowing that as a local variable that has a much smaller scope, a scope that's actually within the scope of the instance level variable. And obviously this example is a little obvious. It's pretty easy to see because we've only got a couple of lines in that method, but you can imagine some examples where this could be very difficult to spot. And the honest truth is that the reason you should care is because it's painfully easy to make this mistake when you first start programming. Even though Professor warned me about it, I made the mistake and didn't really remember not to do it until I had to debug the program for several minutes trying to figure out why my variables weren't being set correctly. This has been a video version of a written tutorial I've got out on my blog. It's allcomputery.blogspot.com, so go ahead and take a look. There's lots of other good stuff out there, and it might help you be a better programmer. Thank you for watching.